Hi, Salesforce folks. I am Hera Khurshid, Salesforce consultant. So I am very excited to connect with the Shibu Abraham. He is MVP. He is Golden Hoodie recipient, and he is marketing champion. So the Salesforce recipient of Golden Hoodies represent a wide range of perspectives, experiences, and we can say background. So we all want to know about your journey towards Salesforce. What?
Sure. I've been in the Salesforce ecosystem for about, I would say, 16 years now. Where I was actually having like different hats, more on the delivery side of things. Community activities I actually started probably around 4 or 5 years back. I actively started contributing into communities and I became group leader in Malaysia. And then I started getting into a little bit more into focus on certain areas, and Marketing Cloud happened to be one of those. The fact was at that time Marketing Cloud was not well known, at least in the APAC region.
Yeah.
There were a few pockets of globally where people knew a little bit about it from the exact target days. So to everyone else, it was like a black box. Everybody knew Salesforce, development, we have the dev org and all that. But even my own team, I had very few people who knew Marketing Cloud. So we had the org, kind of thought, okay, let me go and try it out. I failed the certification, so I wanted to say, what is so great about marketing that it's nobody knows. So went through that. Because of my journey, it was I myself had some struggle, and I thought, okay, how do I make it easier for others? So that grew to the next steps of me actually contributing to community in terms of content and building and getting more people into marketing over the years. So Marketing Champion was the first program that I actually volunteered in. That set the foundation for the later success that came in with VP part and the Golden Hoodie definitely for bringing a lot of people back into marketing and a lot of events and things like that. So I would say maybe if you pay the path automatically, it gives you.
So what according to you is something that Salesforce plays or need to start focusing on with a new gen AI revolution that's happening?
Everybody has heard of generative AI and then the chat GPT and things like that, right? So then in terms of Salesforce, we have already seen the new announcement that came in with GPT modules being released across different areas in Salesforce, and we have now the Einstein 1 platform that they are releasing. They're also releasing the Copilot, right? So behind all of this, people who have actually used ChatGPT, you probably know, okay, that whatever you enter is the basis of what you actually get back. Okay. So one thing that my advice would definitely be to trailblazers to actually focus on to learn in the immediate future is something to do with prompt engineering. It is nothing to do with Salesforce, but it will actually help you in the journey. Okay, there's a lot of different videos online, there's some few tutorials online that will actually help you understand the concept of what is prompt engineering and how is it actually useful. To give you an example, if you have done a chat GPT, right? If you just go in and type in a prompt, you write 2 lines, it will give you a response accordingly.
Yeah.
But if you really want a good response, you have to give more context. So I have actually done big paragraphs of things that I've done in a prompt to give me really what I want. So many of our Salesforce developers do not understand that because it is natural language that you need to give it, and the engine is only as good as what you actually give to it. So understanding the science of prompt engineering is very key. Okay, so the sooner our team, our trailblazers learn it, the faster they can actually adapt it when the new tools come in, because you are going to start getting Einstein Copilot, and you're going to get prompt builder. Prompt builder is one of the tools that they're going to release. You need to learn how to enter good prompts. Not only that, you need to know how to build prompts for your customer. So it's going to be very key on understanding, okay, what is the foundations of prompts. That's at least one of my key takeaways of that meeting.
Thank you, sir, for giving your time. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.